cream coaches at Henry. I'm at Hereford this morning on my way to see Wimbledon play Newport County. So I've popped up here to get my photograph because I have been here before. I was here many years ago for a football match, but I wasn't collecting the stations at that time. Although I photographed it, I hadn't collected it. Anyway, this 66 Golden Jubilee is passing through Hereford. Fortunately, my train is running 17 minutes late, which as far as I'm concerned is marvellous, because it means that I've got more time to take some photographs and fortunately film this. Right, I think that's enough screeching. Well, I've managed to get over to platform 2 before the freight left. Given that the driver's got out the cab and gone to the loo, and the signal is red against the train and it's amber for my train, which is running like 9 minutes late, I dare say it's being held over to give priority to the passenger service. Anyway, I'm off to Abergavenny now, and no doubt this will come in. I must probably see this go through Abergavenny. Revisit to the Stourbridge Junction, Stourbridge Town, Perry people carrier. It's left 2 minutes early. That's why I wasn't ready for it. Coming back again. Something a little different. West Midlands Metro tram at Hawthorns.